All right, how's everybody doing out there today? Another very, very exciting day here with trading. Long day, so I had a long night. We have Alt One in town. Johnny, the man, the myth, the legend. He is quasi missing at this moment. I'm not quite sure. We were out till the wee hours of the morning, partaking in all the adventures of the Vampire's Lair. So it was quite an adventurous night last night, to say the least. Wow, another great day. I would just like to say, yeah, what's new today? Surviving, just surviving. So if you take a look at my chart yesterday, I'm going to bring this baby up for you right here. Here was my call. My call was come down, bounce. I said, look at this, look for this kind of price action, not exactly the numbers. I was pretty darn close. I'm going to get myself a little bit of a cookie here. And I'm going to break this down by hours. Let's see if we can break this down. All right, so there you go. So we had this action, came down. Now we are pushing back up. We're kind of pushing back up into this box area. You see, we keep coming back up into this white box area, which is also shown over here on the bubble charts. I said we need to break this bubble chart area in order to go bullish. So we did get this action. I did expect for us to drop down, then bounce back up. I didn't have any expectations on the actual price action here. We came down, we hit the support line right here. The support line was previously set by this candle at the bottom. Pretty easy, it wasn't that, it was a pretty easy trade. So this trade was actually set up with this. So we had this symmetrical triangle. I had this posted. This came in, dropped out of the symmetrical triangle. Where are my notes at? Where'd they go? So anyway, wherever my notes went, I said, hey, this is a symmetrical triangle. 51% bullish, 49% bearish. It did drop out. Now, that we were kind of helped by this right here. We had a little bit of an indicator. We had a lot of bear signs that we had racked up. One of the other bear signs we had noted there was we had this massive hanging man candle. So this was a bearish candle. So this came out, dropped out with this bearish candle on the 2-day. You see, we then get this. We did have a brand new crossover here. So we got a brand new crossover on the 2-day. It is bullish. So we got a nice bullish crossover here right on the 2-day candle, giving us this little kick in the tootie and jumping us up. Now, we do have a 3-day candle that just... do we have a new 3-day candle? No, we do not have a 3-day candle yet. No, but we do have a nice little run up. So the new 3-day candle must be tomorrow, maybe. Not quite sure when that I wish they'd have a better dang counter over here so you could understand when this 3-day candle starts. Let's take a look at the 2-day candle close. Still got one more day left in this 2-day candle close. We did get the down and up action. Let's go over and take a look at the daily close. Not really a lot of help with this candle. This candle doesn't help me out a lot. This right here, this daily close candle. Let's see if the 12-hour helps us out. Kind of the same thing. This 12-hour doesn't really help me out at all. Came down as a kind of a falling wedge and then just took off. No crosses to look at, no crosses to talk about. 6-hour, nothing. All the MAs are spread out. You had a falling wedge, pretty easy, and then you just had this turnaround. So, this candle consolidation right here on the 12-hour is something you need to watch out for. So this is when you get into some really confusing candle patterns right here with all these dojis just kind of moving sideways. So you've got basically 1, 2, 3, 4 doji candles that move sideways. You did have a rejection from the bulls. The bulls got rejected, and then you just had 2 neutral candles. Then you had the bears rejected. And, this kind of got rejected. This got brought up by this 7MA. I don't see a lot of support and or resistance here. My next target would be, trying to come up here a little bit higher. And let's bring this down to the 4-hour, see if we get any help here. All right, so Yeah, not, once again, you've got a lot of support under this right here with this little zone at 81.90, 81.80. So you do have a little bit of support right there. These candles did not help at all. This is a spinning top candle, this number two that we just closed. This does kind of, you got to watch for these candles. These do call for a coming or pending reversal candle. So this is a tough little trading area. Listen, this whole section right here is just a really tough trading area. Let's see if we can bring our arrows. So here, I had down and then up. It's just a tough area. Look at this. Look at this. It's an inverted triangle. So you are creating an inverted head and shoulders here. So you got a perfect setup for an inverted head and shoulders. This is looking, if this does break out, you're going to look to come back up here and test 8,500 again. So this is real close. Your neckline for this is going to be right back up here. Your neckline is going to be 83-ish, 83-ish, 8,300-ish. So keep an eye on this head and shoulders right there. See if this plays out on the 6 hour too. So really nice looking inverted head and shoulders. All right, and this this is what this makes. This makes an inverted head and shoulders. All right. I was expecting this to come down a little bit lower and give us a poke on that. Let's see if it did hit an MA. No MAs. Daily. Yep. So it did come down. Almost try to test right there. See if our 2-day. No help. No help really anywhere from any of our MAs. Listen, we're closing in on a close of the weekly here. All right, so we're looking at a close of the weekly coming. There's just no help here. There's no help here for anything that I can see. Uh-oh, and come on, computer, you're killing me. Come on. There we go. All right, here we go. Oh no, my computer. The white screen of death. This is what happens when you do not restart your computer. Oh, this is bad. And nope. I'm looking like we're locked out right now. Hold on a second. Come on, close up, close up, close up. Yeah. Oh. And, well, there it is. Pretty quick synopsis of the end of the day there. Not much to report. And I'm going to actually go find Johnny and going to call it a day. All right.